What's up guys, welcome to TechTube, and today we have a unique thing to review. So let me tell you, we don't see this thing usually in our daily life or use in daily life, but in Diwali we do use this a lot, but not the one which I'm having right now. So this is what I'm talking about. This is a solar powered diya. Now in Diwali you see, alright, electricity.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
I'm so sorry, I have to post this video by tomorrow, and for that I have to record this video at any condition. So I have actually already shooted all the b-rolls, so this is the main video which I was shooting right now. As you can see, electricity is no more with us, so let's continue. So thankfully I was having this in my hand and my door is locked, so usually I get scared in these situations. So using this electric diyas you can control your pollution too. So this is one of the best things why I wanted to make this video, and the guy sent me this diya long time ago, but I'm so sorry I was not able to make the video. So as you can see, this is round panel, this is solar panel which is 6 volt, and inside you have a battery that is 3.5 volts, and it gets charged. And for charging you have two options. The one is solar panel, you have to just place this thing in sun and forget it until it's fully charged. And the second thing you can do is just plug in your phone's charger, that is 5 volt DC, and you can also use your power banks. So the circuit is simple too. So you also have a button over here to power it on and off. It's pretty much similar to the original diyas which you light up in Diwalis, and it's not made from plastic or POP, it's natural soil. So this is the best thing. As you can see, top view design, and this is the bottom. So the guy who sent me this, I'll be giving link to his social sites in the description, so check that out. Contact him to know the prices, and to know how this diya is made, I'll be giving the link of that video in description, which is posted by him. So go check it out, and I'll see you guys in next one. Hush.